Today I will show you how to create a brand new Google account on your PC step by step. First, I opened Google Chrome from my desktop. Next, I clicked on the plus button. Then I clicked on sign in. The Google sign in page opened. Here I clicked on create account. A drop down menu appeared. From the options I selected for my personal use. Now the account creation form opened. First I enter my first name and last name. Then I clicked next. On the next screen I selected my birth month, day, year and gender. After entering the details I clicked next again. Now Google asked me to choose an email address. Since I wanted to create my own custom Gmail address, I clicked on create your own Gmail address. In the input box, I typed my desired Gmail address. Then I clicked next. After that, I created a password and type it again to confirm. Then I clicked next. Now a QR code appeared on the screen. I picked up my mobile phone, opened the QR scanner and scanned the code. A verification link opened on my phone. I clicked on it and my mobile number started verifying. Always use a mobile number that has not been used for another Google account before. After a few seconds, my number was successfully verified. Next, Google asked for a recovery email address. I entered my existing email to keep my account secure. This step is important in case you forget your password. Then I clicked next. A screen appeared showing my account information. I reviewed it and clicked next again. After that, the terms and conditions page opened. I clicked on I agree. Finally, I clicked yes, I am in. And that's it, my new Google account was successfully created. Now I can use Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube and all Google services with this account. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more tech guides.